So according to four phases, the equation will be SI of t is equals to under root 2 e by t cos 2 pi fct 2i minus 1 pi by 4. In the previous, that is in the BPSK, we have used EB and TB, that is transmitted signal energy per bit. ठीक है, in this case we are sending 2 bits, therefore we are using symbol. So we are not using EB because energy of symbol, we are using the energy transmitted energy per symbol. ठीक है, in the BPSK it was EB which is transmitted energy per bit. ठीक है, and it is E is the transmitted signal energy per symbol. उसी तरह से symbol duration, T is the symbol duration, FC and FC is the carrier frequency. ठीक है, so these are the components of signals. Now if you use the relation trigonometric identity, that is sin A plus B, if you consider A equal to 2 pi fct and B equal to this 2i minus 1 pi by 4, so SI of t will be simplified as under 2e by that is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So in place of A we will write 2 pi fct or 2i minus 1 pi by 4. ठीक है, A equal to 2i minus 1 pi by 4 and B equal to 2 pi fct. So you will get SI of t is equal to this. ठीक है, so under 2e by t cos 2i minus 1 pi by 4 cos 2 pi fct minus sin 2e by t sin 2i minus 1 pi by 4 sin 2 pi fct. ठीक है, from this equation you can have the two basis function which is phi 1 of t and phi 2 of t as that is having the unit energy. ठीक है, we have to obtain the two basis function from this. It is the one part, ठीक है, and it is the second part. ठीक है, so you will get the one signal of cos and another signal of sin. So phi 1 of t is equals to 2 under 2 by t cos 2 pi fct. ठीक है, it will be the first basis function. If you calculate the energy of phi 1 of t, it will equals to unity. Similarly, phi 2 of t is also having the unit energy because it is U basis function. So these are the two carriers, quadrature carriers. It is the in phase because cos signal is in phase with the SI of t. ठीक है, cos phi 1 is having the cos function which is in phase with SI of t, and phi 2 of t is having sin function which is quadrature of QPSK signal. So therefore the name is quadrature phase shift key. ठीक है, quadrature का नाम क्यों? Because the two signals are quadrature apart. ठीक है, phi 1 of t and phi 2 of t, that is the main functions are quadrature apart. ठीक है, so from this basis function you can have the 4 signal points. जिस तरह से BPSK में S11 और S12 था, ठीक है, S11 और S12, उसी तरह से QPSK में 4 मैसेज पॉइंट रहेंगे. दैट इज S11 phi 1 of t, that is if you write SI of t is equals to S11 phi 1 of t minus SI2 phi 2 of t. उसी तरह से by substituting the different values of I, that is I equal to 1 2 3 4, you will have 4 message points. ठीक है, ठीक है, and S1 of as each signal is of 2 dimensional because of 2 basis function. ठीक है, so the 4 message points will be SI is equals to, ठीक है, if you substitute I equal to 1 2 3 4, you will get 4 message points S1 S2 S3 and S4. ठीक है, and each message point is of 2 dimensional. ठीक है, they will have 2 coordinates. ठीक है, we are drawing the signal space diagram. ठीक है, so S1 is equals to क्या रहेगा, अंडर रूट E cos 2i minus 1 pi by 4, that is I equal to, if you substitute I equal to 1, so it will be pi by 4 under root E cos pi by 4 minus under root E sin pi by 4. ठीक है, उसी तरह से if I equal to 2, if you substitute I equal to 2, S2 will be under root E cos 3 pi by 4, ठीक है, and minus under root E sin 3 pi by 4. So cos 3 pi by 4 क्या होगा आपका, it will be minus under root E and sin will be minus, so it will be again minus, it will become plus. So if you see there, so I have plotted the table according to the equation. ठीक है, so if you substitute the different values of pi, that is SI1 and SI2. ठीक है, so if you substitute that is in the QPSK, each signal is you having the D bit. ठीक है, it is each signal is each symbol is of D bit and D bit is encoded as gray encode. ठीक है, so gray coding तो आपको पता ही होगा, that is the continuous two symbols having the only bit of only single bit. ठीक है, so if you see the D bits are 1 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 0. ठीक है, so from this table you can easily see that for D bit of where the single bit is 1, for the single bit is 1, corresponding coordinate is positive. ठीक है, corresponding coordinate is positive, and for the 0 bit corresponding coordinate is minus. ठीक है, so you can see for 1 1 coordinate is plus plus, एंड द वैल्यू आर सेम अंडर रूट ई बाई टू, ठीक है। एंड फॉर 0 1 माइनस एंड प्लस